Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is Princess Abigail Awake. They do have a sleep version. Let's say hello, everyone. I will be getting her assembled and put together. Say, I'm going to be going home soon. Yes, I am. All right, sit right there for a minute. Now, I have not glossed her lips yet, which I'm going to do. But first, I have to make her a pacifier. And whew. Yes. Okay. Well, TT ain't got time to be struggling through stuff now. Get it together. Get it together, sunshine. Alright. How that go on. But we gonna figure it out, girl. Hopefully this look. I'm with you because this is a cute patch. So I cut the nipple out. She does have a magnet. Oh, that. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Teach like that. Teach like that. I put her magnet in when I seal her head. Yes. So now what I'm doing is seeing which side the magnet goes on. And then I don't like to use glue on my magnets because and that's my preference, everyone is different, because if, say for example, the reborn mommy has another reborn at home and they want to switch the passy, they can always take this off and flip the magnet in case the magnet is not going the way that the same on the other reborn. So I know which way my magnet needs to go. So I'm going to set that on there. Set my magnet on there. Man, like this is adhesive and works wonders. And I don't have to wait for glue and all that to dry. You know what I'm saying. And they hold pretty well. And now she has a magnet. Now I do seal her magnet on the inside of her head. She's got this funny way her tongue goes out. Do I like how that's sitting on you? Yeah, that's I want it to look like you're soaking your nose. Okay, see, I'm not liking that. So what I'm gonna do is put a flat one in there. This is a round magnet. You got the round ones, and then you got the rectangle ones, little flat ones, a little more flat. But so that's how, like I say, she's got a magnet inside of her head. I gotta get some more flat ones. Yes, TT gotta get some more flat ones. I bought these. These don't hold well. These big round black ones, I don't like those. They don't hold well at all. I need a flat. That's a round one. So yeah, I gotta get some more flat magnets. Alright, girl. Alright, girl. Your TT getting it together. Yes, she is. Hold on. Nope, she's trying to fall. Sit right there. Don't you fall either. Okay, so I got this away. Put that on there. Don't. And the round magnets I like using, like especially if they have it just depends on the shape of their mouth. if I use the round or the square. I like how that sits better. I like how that sits better. Yes, I do. Yes, your TT do. Alright, so we got some little stragglers going on, and the stragglers is just the little strings of hair that I didn't get while I was upstairs. I have better lighting down here, so it's easier for me to cut the leftovers once I get down here. Okay, so we got her passy. So now I can gloss her lips and pierce her ears. Uh-oh. I'm gonna pierce the ears first. Look how she's looking at me, y'all. She's like, Kiki, Terry. I'm like, what? Hold on, girl. Look, stop trying to fall over. Sit right there. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Is she? Hold on. Let me see. What earrings? I need some more earrings, y'all. Y'all probably like, you already got a lot of earrings. This is really not a lot, because some of these earrings look good. Some look good and some don't when I put them in. So, the struggle be real. The struggle be real. Like, for real, for real. And it's hard to get the little bitty earrings. It's hard to get. And these old big old earrings, I like these, but the back is plastic, so it's hard for me to, not hard, but I would have to put it in on I'm rambling now. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? Because these are really cute, but like I say, the backs are plastic, and I didn't know that when I purchased them. So, I really like this cherry. So, like I say, that's a whole nother ball game. But, they gonna get used. It's just, I don't know what to do. I like to just be able to poke. And with the plastic ones, you can't just poke. Okay, so we got that earring in. And then we got that rear ring in. See, with the plastic ones, I wouldn't be able to do that. I'll be like, trying to get in there. Alright, so now we're going to gloss up her lips. Just a little something, not too much, y'all, not too much. And I use paper glaze. It dries fast. That's what I like about it. It dries fast, and it just give it that little gloss that you need. You don't need a lot. Yeah, you don't need a lot. I don't like to put a lot. It's just to give it just a little bit, a little moisture in the nose. Yeah, just a little bit. I said when I make me a Reborn for my nursery, I'm going to experiment, because I know some artists that use it on the eyes, but I just always, I guess, not afraid. I just didn't want to mess my eyes up, so I will experiment, because it gives it that like glossiness in the eyes, but at the same time, I don't know if they, doing something before they do put the gloss on, you know what I'm saying? So, I'll experiment one day, because it makes the Reborn look like their eyes are like watery, kind of, little bit. And like I say, I don't like to use a whole lot. I just like to use a little bit. Just a little, just to look like I got some moisture on my lips, TT. Them lips don't be crusty and dry. Them lips don't be crusty and dry. Just a little bit. Y'all know how y'all TT roll. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey. Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. And that's not going to take long to dry. Now, I don't know. This is the front. Clips on like that. I never knew how to put these on. Even when I made them. Oh, I guess you just go through like that. Let's see. Probably so. Okay. Wait. Did that do it? Oh, yeah. Oh, I did it right. Okay. Okay. And when I made mine, I just connected the, I don't know what I did, but I didn't do it like, stop rambling, TT. Okay. Y'all. Sit out good. Okay, TT. I'm trying, TT. All right, princess. Make it do what it do. Ooh. All right. Like I say, get it, do it. Oh, get it, baby. Hey, do it, baby. Do it, baby. Oh, na 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 na. Boom, 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 boom. Do 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 do. These are glass beads that I'm adding for weight, so I add glass beads and polyfill. It's just my preference. Some artists does the weight in the head, some artists don't. It's no wrong way. It's just the preference of the artist. Like I say, this is a work of art done by hand. And, unless you're getting a custom. Now, if you're getting a custom, you want to ask the artist, if you're into reborning, if you're into the reborns and you know the difference with a custom and made in the artist vision, then those are, be questions that you will ask, stuff like that. Do you stuff the head with, do you add weight to the head, etc., 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 etc. So yeah, this is a surprise, baby. So her mommy has not even seen her yet. Say hi, say hello. And she might have, because she be on my live, so she might have, but then she don't know if this is her, Abigail or not. So, But, okay, so we got her head stuff. I'm gonna finish letting her dry. She does have baby hairs, but you can't tell right now because of how they are. She's gonna put on this little onesie. Y'all, I'm starting to really love these onesies because it's like I could get a bow with the diaper and all, and then keep it moving. Oh, she's gonna be putting on Sesame Street diaper. Ain't that cute, y'all? Ain't that cute? Okay. All right, girl. Let's get you put together. Okay, TT. I put a wafer in the body to give it that baby scent, baby powder scent. Smell like little baby. And they actually last a really long time. So yeah. All right. So I already have the zip ties in this body. So they came. This body actually came with the zip ties in it and not the strings. Because usually if it comes with the strings, I'll pull them out and then I will put zip ties in. That's just my preference. they can be reborn with strings. I see people complain in groups that their reborn didn't have zip ties. Like I say, that is the artist's preference. The bodies come with strings, some of them, so it's not wrong if they want to, tie the strings and not put the zip tie. So if you're getting a custom, etc., or even if you're getting a reborn, if that's something you should ask, do you use strings or ties? Because like I say, every artist is different. I prefer the zip ties over the strings. Now, I will use strings if I'm doing a reborn in my nursery and I know that I'm going to either switch that body out at a later time or something like that. Then I will use strings. But other than that, I like the zip ties. I don't want, well, I guess it would be. I don't want to go, it's easier to put a zip tie in than to tie the string too tight and you mess the string up and trying to string a string back through the body. TT ain't doing all that, okay? It's already hard to get the zip ties in the body, shoot. Let alone trying to string a string in there. Because if you tie it too tight, then, I know y'all done seen me where I sat up there and did it too tight and had to cut it out and put another zip tie in. Just imagine doing that with the strings. Okay, so this is my weight sock. This is going to add weight to her body. So, yeah. Nope, TT ain't trying to do all that. But like I say, or if I got a dummy body. Now, if I got a dummy body, I will leave the strings in so that I'm not wasting my zip ties. And usually I use the dummy bodies for, like, for example, if I got some babies available and I need to take pictures so I can post the baby for sale, but I probably won't actually put the baby actually together until it sells or something like that. So that's what I use dummy bodies for. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Alright. Get these arms on, girl. So she has full arms, full legs. So the difference with that is just less cloth showing. Yeah, I guess that's how we can sum it up. But I like full arms, full legs, babies, and I like some 3/4 limb reborns also. Cause there's some 3/4 limb ones. As long as they's cute and adorbs. I don't have many in my nursery that are 3/4 limbs. Do I have anyone in my nursery that's 3/4 limbs? I'm looking at my reborns now, y'all, trying to see. Oh my gosh. I'm looking. Oh, Thomas Awake. I believe he's 3/4 arms. Most of my babies are full limbs. Yeah, y'all. Most of them are full limbs. So I guess I'm a full limb type of girl. I'm a full limb type of girl, hey. A full limb type of girl. Oh, what did I do with the clipper? What did I do with what I do with them? See? That's what I mean by TT do the most. There you go. TT do the most. Get my clippers, good. Don't be sleeping on your TT. What? Don't be sleeping on your TT. What? Don't be sleeping. Don't be sleeping. Don't be sleeping on your TT. Don't be sleeping on your TT. Alright, girl. And you put a trash can. I did. I put a trash can by me and I'm still putting the zip ties on the table. Get it together, TT. I was trying, girl. Hold on, sunshine. Come on. Let me see, girl. Let me see. You good? I good, TT. Okay. I just making sure, girl. TT making sure. Yes. Yes. Hey, hey, I said we getting it on, doing the Reborn song. I'm just a being silly, how I normally is, yeah. Okay, look at you with your little onesie. I mean, little sleeveless t-shirt. I need that just a little bit, sunshine. Just a little bit. Your fat mama. What? Look at the fish, y'all. Oh, she got a little mo on her foot, y'all. You y'all see it? I'll show it to y'all. See, I got a little mo on my foot. Yes, I do. Got a little mo. I got a little mo. I had another. Look at her mo, y'all. Can y'all see her mo? Wait. Oh, I'm on the wrong foot. Here you go. Wait, girl. Here y'all go. I'm trying to show y'all her mo. Can y'all see it? Look at her mo. You're like, what are you doing, TT? I don't know, little baby. I don't know. I know my, you ready to get your head, get on your body, good. Stop messing with your TT. Come on, princess. Come on, princess. Come on. Hold on, girl. Hi. Hi. How you doing? Hello. Hi, Abigail Awake. Hi, Abigail Awake. How are you? Welcome to the woo 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 world. Hey, girl. Hey. It's my special day. Hey. It's my special day. Hey. It's my special day. Hey. Welcome, Abigail Awake. Hey. Say hi. Say hello, everybody. Alright, so got her. Got my passy. Alrighty. Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. Hey. What you want to tell them? What you want to tell them, girl? Say, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Like the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Bow. Give the video a thumbs up. And make sure you turn that bell on. My TT will have a video coming of her dressing me, combing my hair, and packing me to go home. Hey, packing me to go home. Hey, get it, girl. Oh, get it, girl. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, oh, oh. TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, oh. Unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog, maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in. Break it down. Oh.